Hello and welcome back to our Russian lesson. Today I would like to finish to speak about the age and some numbers. If you remember, we spoke about the ГОД, ГОДА, ЛЕТ. This is about the age. 31 год, 32 года, 35 лет. So I will put like this. This is the changes of the nouns changing in or genitive case or in plural. So we have to use also for the months. Month, it's месяц. Месяц. For example, if you want to say 1 month, один месяц. If you want to say 2, from 2 to 4, you have to say месяца. If you want to say from 5 to 20, or for example from 25 to 30, from 35 to 40, you have to say месяцев. Месяцев. For example, you can say also, let's put here, 1 год и 1 месяц. Also you can say 2 года и 2 месяца. 5 лет и 5 месяцев. And so I want to explain you better in that case. For example, год we use from 1, 21, 31, 101, 221. So there any number with the last one, we have to say год. At least only except is 11, because it's make rules from 5 to 20. And this is nominative case. Nominative case. The года we use years. So this is year, years. We use 2, 3, 4, 22, 23, 24, 133, 244, and so when there is the last number 2, 3, 4, like here, except 12, 13, 14, like in this rule. And now we have genitive case. Лет. Always years. So, like, okay, years. From 5 to 20, 11, 13, 15, 11, 12, 13. From 25 to 30, from 35 to 40, 100, 200, for example, 58. So the numbers, except this one, them, you have to put let. And so I hope I was more clear now today. Also, we have in Russian the number 1.5. We don't say 1.5, or I mean I never heard. We say полтора. Полтора. 1.5. In our case, we studied the years. We say полтора года. Года. Полтора года. 1.5 year. Now I would like to finish to speak about adverbs. For example, we can say where, где, because they answering the question where, где. And for example, we can say где ты, where are you? There are you. You can answer я близко. I'm close. Or, for example, я далеко. I'm far away. Okay, so also you can say I'm here. Я тут. Otherwise, я здесь. It's the same meaning. Тут, здесь, here. Okay. Кто здесь? Who is here? Он здесь. Or, for example, name of someone. Петя здесь. You can ask, Анна здесь? Oh, okay, let's put тут, because it's the same. Анна тут. Anna is here. Нет. Она, because it's feminine. Она там. And now we have там is there. There. Let's speak about the distance. For example, рядом, near, близко, close, далеко, far. Не рядом. You can put near to say not near, not close, not far. Не рядом, не близко, не далеко. For example, где вы? Where are you, but plural version or formal version? Where are you? Вы далеко? Are you far away? Нет, it's plural of you, and the answer will be мы, the first person plural. Нет, мы рядом. No, we are close, we are near. Also, we can say about the direction. Directions. Извините. Где метро? Далеко? Извините. Excuse me. Sorry. Где метро? Where is the metro? Is it far? This is one asking and another answering. Нет. Близко. Метро. Здесь. Another one. Извините. Извините. Где туалет? Where is the bathroom? Туалет. Там. Далеко. Toilet, the bathroom, is over there, far away. Okay, so we repeated some numbers for today, some adverbs, and see you for the next time. Put the bell, write some comments, and see you next time. Пока-пока.